told us was the fact that one of your favorite characters was who?
My favorite character in Mario is actually when Mario wears the raccoon suit.
Oh, really?
And that's called something. It's
Yeah,
like
did you say that you liked Toad at one point?
Oh, I like playing Toad in Mario Kart.
Yes.
Mario Kart 64 to be exact. Nice. That's beautiful.
One other thing I want to apologize for is, Steve, Waluigi wanted to be here. We don't know why he didn't show up. We even brought a tambourine for him. But for some reason, he didn't want to. What? Oh, he made it! He made it!
It's Waluigi, everybody!
check yourself, brother. Because the Mario Brothers are coming to town, sucker. And we don't take no for an answer. And we're gonna come with the Toad Army, man. And we're gonna say,
Beautiful.